Hello, I'm Jenny from Easy Chinese. Today, I'm not going to show you a Chinese recipe, but a recipe from Guadeloupe Island. If you know, it's an island in the Caribbean area. So this is kind of a bean soup with a pig tail or pig mouth. So I'm going to show you the main ingredients. Number one main ingredient, of course, is bean because it's a bean soup. But in Guadeloupe Island, people normally use this big kidney red bean. But I don't find it, I didn't find it from a supermarket close to me. So I bought this Pinto bean. I think it also works. This I pre-soaked in the cold water for about 3 hours. I'm going to cook it later. And second main ingredient, pig ear. But Guadeloupe people use the pig tails or pig mouths, and also this smoked lardon. And there's some other seasoning like white onion or yellow onion, a few cloves of garlic, and I think this is also a key ingredient. I'm not going to put all this chili inside the soup. I will show you how to use it to get the flavor but not too hot because it's very hot. In the soup, we are going to make dumplings to put in the soup at almost the end. So here are 300 grams of the strong bread flour. You can use the plain flour because I prefer my dumpling is more chewy, hard, and 150 milliliters of cold water. So now I'm going to cut the onion and garlic first. Let's cook the onion first. Add 3 tablespoons olive oil. We cook the onion with low fire, and cook the onion slowly until they are soft. Okay, while the onion is cooking, I'm going to cut this pig ear into a small cube first. About 1.5 centimeters. If you visit my website, Easy Chinese, and also my YouTube channel and Pinterest account, previously I made another dish which is like a Chinese style, sort of like a salad, with the pig ear. You mix it with the seasonings. Also, if you want to learn some basic Chinese characters, you can find in my video teaching you the basic Chinese characters also. Alright, for example, the Chinese name of this ear is 耳朵. Now the onion is good. Look, it's a little bit, almost a little bit caramelized already. So I'm going to add this chopped garlic. Turn on the fire a bit higher, and also this lardon, about 100 grams of this. Fry this lardon also until it changes the color to a slightly yellow or brown. I'm going to add a little bit this mixed herbs, not much, okay. With black pepper. This lardon slightly changed the color also. Now I'm going to add a bit of white wine. About 2 to 3 tablespoons. And now I'm going to add the bean. Now add about 1 liter water, simmer for an hour. While the bean is simmering in the pot, I'm going to make the dough, the dumpling. Let it set for about 30 minutes. Let's make the dough now. I'm going to cut it You press it. After I simmer this bean for an hour, it is very soft now. So I just put the pig ears in and then let it cook just for 5 minutes because they already cooked. And then I will add a bit more water and then dumpling in the end. To add a bit more flavor, half teaspoon of curry powder. Okay, add a bit more water. Stir occasionally, don't let them stick at the bottom. 1 teaspoon salt, add a little bit more extra virgin olive oil. Okay. This dumpling has been boiling for 10 minutes. So the last step, very important for this Guadeloupe flavor, the whole bonnet chili, very hot. Just drop it into the soup, last 5 minutes. Even this chili is not broken, I can smell it. This the aroma and the flavor. Alright, I think it's good now.